Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. If you're running a local business and looking for smarter ways to reach nearby customers, today's video is just for you. We're diving into how to use the Nextdoor app for business in 2025, a powerful tool to grow your presence right in your own neighborhood. So, first things first, Nextdoor isn't just for community chats and garage sales anymore. In 2025, it's become a go-to platform for small businesses to connect with real, local customers. And the best part? People on Nextdoor are actively looking to support nearby businesses, which makes your job a lot easier. To get started, download the Nextdoor app or head over to their website. Create a business account, not a personal one. Choose Claim Your Business page and fill in your details like your business name, address, phone number, and the category that best matches what you offer. Once your profile is verified, you'll have access to a professional dashboard tailored for businesses. Now that your profile's ready, let's talk strategy. One of the best ways to use Nextdoor is by sharing regular updates in your local newsfeed. This could be new services, limited time deals, behind the scenes content, or even helpful tips. Just keep it friendly and neighborly, like you're chatting with someone who lives next door, because, well, you are. Next, collect and showcase recommendations. Ask happy customers to leave a recommendation on your business page. These work like reviews and boost your visibility in local searches. The more positive feedback you have, the more likely someone nearby will give you a shot. You should also consider running a local deal. This is a paid feature where your promotion appears in your neighborhood and surrounding areas. It's super useful for getting new eyes on your business quickly, especially during slow seasons or special events. Another tip, respond to comments and messages. Engagement matters. Whether someone's asking about your hours, your menu, or your service area, being quick and helpful builds trust and drives more foot traffic or calls your way. Lastly, keep an eye on your Insights tab. Nextdoor gives you basic performance data like views, clicks, and engagement. Use that info to see what kind of posts get the best response and adjust your strategy as you go. So there you have it. Using Nextdoor for business in 2025 is all about local presence, real engagement, and building trust within your own community. It's simple, affordable, and super effective if you stay active and authentic. Catch you in the next one.